Hello everyone, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis. Today we will be spending time in the kitchen and I will share 3 organizational systems must-haves as well as some cookware from Caraway Home. I have partnered with Caraway Home to share this fabulous cookware. And this box, OMG, this cookware is amazing. Now guys, I chose the navy blue. Can you believe I did not choose red? But Caraway comes in so many amazing colors. This is the set that you will receive. You will receive a saucepan, a saute pan, a frying pan, and a Dutch oven. All cookware from Caraway is 100% non-toxic ceramic materials. And this set also comes with 3 lids as well as an organizer for your lids. And your pots and pans. Check this out. This wowed me. This set is so beautiful. And the organizer is amazing. It is magnetic and pretty enough to leave out on your countertop. This cookware is absolutely stunning. Here are the lids. I love these lids. They are flat. Never seen this before. They are so beautiful. And the lids also come with a storage system, this beautiful canvas bag that you can hang from the inside of your cabinets. How neat is that? This cookware is designed with storage in mind. They are thoughtfully designed organizers, making sure your pans and your lids sleep safe and sound. One of the many things I love to do is to invest in my cookware. When you do this, it will last for years, as well as take care of your cookware. Ready, set, cook. Guys, I'm gonna test this cookware out. I'm cooking some dinner for my family. I am going to saute some chicken breasts and make some rice in this cookware. I just took some chicken breasts, marinated the chicken breasts in olive oil, salt, pepper, and some thyme. I let it marinate for about an hour and then I am sauteing it. Now guys, as I am cooking, let me share with you my second organizer and it is this beautiful seasoning drawer. By the way, I picked this up from Amazon. It is so convenient to have it in the drawer next to my range. I can reach in the drawer. It is in arm's reach, and I can grab the seasonings that I need and place them back in the drawer. Now this system here comes with 28 jars, and 4 shelves that are metal and black. It is sleek. In this drawer, I have a divider here as well that can be purchased from Amazon. And then to the right, I have some kitchen towels and pot holders. All of this is convenient for me as I cook. So I'm checking in on my breast, my chicken breast, and oh my goodness, it smells so yummy. Now with your cookware, a suggestion is not to use metal utensils. That will damage your cookware. I use plastic. And if you notice, nothing is sticking in this pan. And it's searing this chicken beautifully. This is a healthy way to cook. I'm also checking in on my rice, and rice is known to stick to pans, but it did not stick to this pan. By the way, these utensils that I am using also came from Amazon. Everything will be linked in my description box down below. So I have fed my family, and I'm going to share with you my last organizer, and it's very simple. It's an organizer for your containers for leftovers. I have this drawer arranged for my glass containers. I have some plastic ones here for meal prep as well, but this is so convenient to me. I can just grab a container, I can just grab a lid, and I am good to go. These store very well in the refrigerator. And I have to add, the cleanup on this cookware is so easy. Caraway's non-stick coating can be cleaned using a mild dish soap and a non-abrasive dishcloth or sponge. Making cleanup a breeze. Now, I hope you've been inspired by these 3 organizational systems must-haves, as well as this Caraway home cookware. Caraway is offering a discount code to all of my blessed family. I will have the link and discount code listed in my description box down below. Thank you, Caraway, for the opportunity to share this amazing cookware, and I thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, follow me on all of my social media sites, and shop my Amazon store. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys. Have a blessed, beautiful day. Please be safe out there, and I will talk to you real soon. Love you guys.